In this training video, we'll be going over filling out your moisture map. Okay? So as you can see, we're in a project right now for Douglas Remington. And call report is highlighted. This button's highlighted. So that's why we're in call report for this form. We want to go to moisture map. So we're going to click on this button here in the sidebar. And we've got it. Here's moisture map. So just like psychometric report in another video, your logo is always going to follow you. Once you program it in, it's going to appear on all your forms. Your tax ID number will appear here as well if you choose it to appear here. It doesn't have to be here. As well as your license number or no license number. It's up to you for these two. Okay. The owner insured Douglas Remington, all this information transfers from the call report. As soon as you fill out the call report with this information, it will transfer to the moisture map. So what transfers over is Douglas Remington's name, the owner insured, the job address, okay, and a claim number if you are using one. If you don't have one, obviously it won't be here. And then also your company name and your company address and your company phone number, your company email, and I told you about the license if you want to use it. Okay, this is a moisture map, so we're going to use a moisture meter. Okay, so the instrument make in this case is a FLIR. Okay, you might have a REIS or you might have something else, and this is all programmable. The instrument model in this case is the MR77, and I've got it there. If you wanted to put a dry goal in, you certainly could do it. You know, if you're mostly doing drywall, you might want to put your dry goal here, or you don't have to. You don't have to use it either. Okay, so as you can see, office and warehouse already came here automatically. When I made out psychometric report, automatically moisture map filled in my areas. Okay, this actually, the areas start, you know, when you're choosing your areas. That's in the very beginning when you add your affected areas. These will automatically fill in the areas. But also what's really nice is when I did the psychometric report earlier, these dates automatically filled in. It's fantastic. So you don't have to do this anymore. Once you do it in one form, it's going to fill out on the other form. Okay? All right. Let's get to it. So here's your office. Okay. Let's click on over here. This means what area or what walls or floor or ceiling are we working on? So if it was a floor or ceiling, you know, you could click on it. In this case, usually it's a wall in a lot of cases. And let's click on what type of material you were drying. In this case, it would be drywall. Okay, so we know it's wall A, and we're drying drywall. Okay, so let's say that on the initial inspection date, 12/11/2021, we were inspecting wall A within the office, and it was drywall that we're drying. Our first initial inspection date here. So if you'll notice, you know, this is going to be in percentages. So I'm going to say that this wall was 100% wet. Okay? And then let's say we had also a B wall. Okay? And it was also drywall. And let's go even further and say we were drying a ceiling, and it was also drywall. And let's go even a step further and say it was we're drying flooring. Okay, and it was carpet. Okay, so you can see the flexibility that we've got here. Very, very nice. You know, you've got your areas as far as the walls, floors, ceilings, and then the actual material that you're drying. So let's say on the second inspection date, okay, the moisture's starting to come down, and let's say it's around 75%. And you can just, you know, you fill this out as you're taking your readings on a day-to-day basis. Okay, so let's say it went down to 45, and and then see 23, and then let's say you hit your dry goal on December 15th, and let's say it was at 7. Okay, that's considered dry. Okay, so we know about wall A. You will be filling these all out day by day by day by day. Okay, so that's what's really, really great about this form. It's very powerful. And as you can see, we have another 4 areas here for 4 more walls if you needed, or ceilings, or whatever you need to designate. Okay, and then let's say that, you know what, you needed another day. Okay, so we're here on the 15th. You want to add another inspection date. Okay, this is where you start that. So we're at the 14th. You click on this calendar, and I want to go to the 15th. Okay, so I'm going to start from 11. You want to start that sequence and make sure. So start it by clicking it, and then click here on the 15th. Check up top, just like I told you on the psychometric report. So now we're looking good. Okay, I like the date. I've checked it out. Yep, that's correct. Apply. Okay, you've got the dates correct, and this extra date could only apply to the office if you wanted it to, or only apply to the warehouse, or in this case, all. I had to inspect both those areas, so I just clicked all. Also, these video icons are throughout the whole program. If you ever forgot how to do something, or you need more training, you just click on these video icons. We also have the training area where you can just look at all the general videos, but this icon will teach you how to specifically do this drop down right here. Literally just this drop down. Okay, you never have to worry about it. You're going to have training wherever you go. Okay, so we selected the dates, we selected the areas, and I'm going to click OK. And lo and behold, we have added our date. It's that easy. So you see how this all works. It's super, super easy. So again, we're in a project, and you are definitely working on the moisture map. It's labeled here. This is how you're going to document your moisture readings to an insurance company or whoever's needing it. This is how you prove, you're showing the levels of dry out. Okay, see, this is what they want to see. You just prove it up. So between this moisture map and the psychometric report, which is in another video, it's very, very powerful tools that will help you to become successful and make more money and certainly stay organized. Okay? So that's how you do moisture map. To your success, and thank you for watching.